Leaving our furry friends at home can be stressful, but thanks to innovative technology, dog camera treat dispensers have emerged as a game changer for pet owners. In this video, we will dive into the top 5 dog camera treat dispensers on the market. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 1, we got the Furbo 360-degree dog camera plus dog nanny. The Furbo 360-degree dog camera, priced at $99, is a cutting-edge pet monitoring device designed to offer peace of mind to dog owners. It features a 360-degree rotating camera, allowing you to follow your pet's every move seamlessly. The device requires a paid subscription, which starts at $6.99 per month, providing access to premium features like smart alerts and doggy diary. Users have praised its home security features, such as advanced barking alerts and emergency notifications, for adding an extra layer of safety. The treat tossing function is a hit for keeping pets entertained, allowing owners to adjust the treat size and schedule treats remotely. Setting up the Furbo is straightforward, ensuring a secure connection to your home Wi-Fi. However, the requirement for a subscription on top of the purchase price is a consideration for potential buyers. With a high rating of 4.5 stars from over 37,000 reviews, it's clear that many find the investment worthwhile. Customers especially appreciate the device's ability to record and save pressure moments of their dogs, highlighting its value as more than just a monitoring tool. Number 2, Faroro dog camera with treat dispenser. The Faroro dog camera is an affordable option at $79.99 for pet owners looking to keep an eye on their pets and engage with them through treat tossing. It supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, ensuring a reliable connection for streaming 1080p Full HD video. The two-way audio feature is beneficial for pet owners wanting to communicate with their pets, addressing separation anxiety, or just saying hello. Despite its lower price, the device offers a manual treat tossing button and the convenience of tossing treats via the Smart Life app. Users have reported some challenges with the setup process, but have generally been satisfied with the camera's performance once operational. Real-time motion alerts keep owners informed of their pet's activities, adding to the sense of security. However, some users have noted occasional connectivity issues and a desire for clear instructions. Overall, the Faroro dog camera is praised for its value, offering essential features without breaking the bank. The device has garnered a solid 4-star rating, reflecting a generally positive reception from customers. Number 3, Samrado 2K Pet Camera. At $105.99, the Samrado 2K Pet Camera offers superior video quality with its 2K resolution, ensuring that every detail of your pet's activities is captured with clarity. The camera's 360-degree viewing angle means no corner is left unseen, providing comprehensive coverage of your pet's environment. This device stands out for its easy installation and the convenience of two-way voice communication, allowing you to interact with your pet from anywhere. The remote feeding feature is a highlight, enabling owners to dispense treats with a tap on their phone app, a great way to maintain a connection with pets when away. Some users have expressed frustration with the device's tendency to disconnect from the internet, requiring frequent resets. Despite this, the camera has been well received for its overall functionality and quality. Night vision and bark detection features ensure that owners can monitor their pets day and night, addressing any disturbances promptly. With a rating of 4.4 stars, the Samrado camera is appreciated for its blend of high-quality visuals and interactive features. It's particularly suited for those who prioritize video quality in their pet monitoring system. Number 4, Adorby Pet Camera Dog Treat Dispenser. The Adorby Pet Camera, available for $99.99, distinguishes itself with a 360-degree rotating view and 2K Ultra HD video, offering an unparalleled viewing experience of your pet's activities. This device supports both 2.4 GHz and 5G Wi-Fi, providing versatility and ensuring a stable connection. The treat tossing feature, combined with instant motion and bark alerts, enhances pet interaction and safety. Users appreciate the compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, which adds convenience to daily use. The camera has received positive feedback for its easy setup and the ability to securely connect to Wi-Fi. However, the noise generated by the treat launcher has been noted as potentially startling for pets. With a high rating of 4.8 stars, customers have praised the camera for its clear video quality and comprehensive monitoring capabilities. Despite minor concerns about treat dispenser noise, the overall feedback highlights the camera's effectiveness in keeping pets engaged and owners informed. It represents a solid choice for those seeking advanced features and high-quality video. Number 5. WOPET Dog Camera D01 Plus. The WOPET dog camera is the priciest option at $115.99, but justifies its cost with features like 1080p HD video, night vision, and two-way audio. It's unique in supporting both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, offering flexibility and convenience in connecting with your pet. The treat tossing function is particularly lauded for its ability to engage pets remotely, fostering a sense of closeness even when you're away. The device is easy to set up and use with an app that allows for seamless interaction with your pet. However, some users have highlighted the audio quality as an area for improvements, suggesting it could enhance the overall user experience. Despite this, the camera's wide viewing angle and the clarity of the night vision are often mentioned as key benefits. With a solid 4.2 star rating, the WOPET camera has been well received by customers for its ability to provide a comprehensive view and interaction with pets. It is especially suited for pet owners looking for a high-quality monitoring system that combines functionality with the joy of treating their pets remotely. So, choosing the right dog camera treat dispenser depends on your specific needs, budget, and desired features. Whether you prioritize video quality, interactive features, or affordability, there's a product out there that will help you stay connected with your beloved pet and ensure their safety and happiness even when you're not home. And don't forget that all the products that I have mentioned in this video are going to be linked down in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.